Hello, I'm Jessie Janae, co-founder and CEO of Lumi, and we are unboxing your favorite brands, but only talking about the boxes, because that's kind of my jam. And I'm doing it from home today because it's a pandemic and I'm being safe. Ooh. We have Youswim. Youswim makes swimwear, but not just any swimwear. It's a swimsuit that's 7 sizes in one. One size, and it stretches to accommodate whatever you've got to give it. So this package actually came to me in the carrier's envelope, and then I took it out. So that's why there's no shipping label. There's a variety of reasons a brand might put a box into an envelope. Sometimes it's for additional protection. Sometimes it's because something is shipping internationally and the carrier envelope is gonna get the best rate. But either way, it's not a bad way to ship because the box arrives to you safe and sound and also super clean. This is a very thin profile box. I can tell that there's no wasted space in this box because nothing is shaking around, and also it's really compact. I like that. It's already efficient, I can tell. Also, I can tell where this is from. It says Youswim right on there. It's just a kraft color with a white print. Super simple and basic, and I think that really speaks to the simplicity of the brand image as well. I'm gonna open the box. I'm gonna use my blade and slice open. It was closed with a wafer label that I've just sliced through, and now I can open it. This is a tuck flap front box, but really with little tiny flaps just to keep it actually secure. And that's why you only need a wafer label to close it. When I open it, this is really cute. This is the color of my swimsuit, so it really allows the color of the suit to pop through. And then you've got some copy and a beautiful card. This reinforces the brand right here, Youswim. It's the first thing you see. Seamless and unbelievably flexible, your new swimsuit adapts to fit you and your body's natural state of flux. This brand is promoting body positivity, but also body changes. And I bought this suit because my body is about to go through some changes because I am pregger pants. So I wanted a swimsuit that was not going to constantly remind me that I'm getting bigger by the week because it just stretches to accommodate whatever I've got to give it. So this card, on the front, it's a matte finish in kind of this beautiful navy blue printing. And on the back, it actually has a soft touch and it gives you more information welcoming you to their mission. We're on a mission to turn the tide on standard inflexible sizing by creating swimwear that represents women realistically, accepting our bodies as they are, unique, ever-changing, and unedited. The ever-changing part really resonates with me because again, even from a practicality standpoint, I don't want to buy a swimsuit that fits for like 1 month. I want to be swimming and big and pregnant just the whole time. I think there's going to reach a moment where all I'm wearing is the swimsuit, so I'm also preparing for that. I really like how they're using the color of the item to add quite a pop to the packaging. It's not that this looks boring when I take it out, but it does look fairly basic. Whereas with this in there, there's just such a really beautiful feeling when you open the box. It's a great way to actually make the packaging feel like there's color and there's stuff going on without investing in unnecessary printing. The suit itself also has a hang tag that's bound with a little rope. The hang tag has a debossed Youswim, very subtle, just debossed, no ink, and then also another tag that says, keep this tag attached if you wish to return this item. Of course, just for the kind of safety and sanitariness, you have to return it with the tags if you need to. And then of course, this item is super stretchy, super stretchy. You're gonna get like, you can put an alien here, that's the plan. Okay, I love this, but it's not time for that. It's not time for me to play. Back to the packaging. The packaging itself is really simple in terms of its components. This actual corrugate container, this corrugate box, and this card. Together, both items are fully recyclable in a blue bin. Maybe you wanna take off this wafer to be really super safe. Minimal printing, so minimal use of ink. All in all, really efficient, really low waste. It's time for a recap. Youswim is doing a lot of cool things. But let's talk about my 3 favorite things about their packaging. First up, their packaging is low profile. I mean, it's skinny, it's not using extra material, it's compact. Also, it's streamlined. And I don't just mean the size, but I mean because their swimsuit comes in one size, they only need one size box as well, and only one type of hang tag. So in fulfillment, there's just one item to pull, and their entire supply chain is pretty streamlined. And then, of course, it's neutral. The packaging itself is neutral, so that the swimsuit can be the thing that is the pop of color. The product adds the excitement. This has been Youswim Unboxed.